Make sure your seat is upright, all larger electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way of exits and flotation devices. But of course, don't have...
You good?
Alright.
Alright, so cheers everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers. To a nice, relaxing, good night. Woo! Oh, man. Oh,
What was that? Just say it.
We put everything there. I help with the liquor thing. And then I'm like, you decorate it, so she helped with the decorations. And everybody just made their little drinks and vibe out. We had a little more.
So, I'm about to gamble. This is my first time gambling, so we'll see how this turns out.
Ghetto.
So this is what happens when your heels hurt.
Right. Tired of walking in them.
We're at this place called iFly, and it's like an indoor skydiving. And it says that the wind tunnel is up to 120 miles per hour. This is going to be interesting to see how this is going to go. Jaquan, Jody, and Audrey are going to get on it, and we'll see how they look once they're on it.
These signals help your instructor make adjustments to your flight. When the lights tell you your flight is ending, your instructor will position you at the tunnel and step out of the tunnel. Before you fly again, please tell your instructor.
Move your hand to wherever I put my hand. Keep it there, and then also try to do the same thing on the other side. With my legs, I've got hand signals. You see me straighten my fingers?
Are y'all ready to fly?
Yeah.
Are y'all ready?
As ready as we can be.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
So how was it?
Oh my God. Now that I can hear, thank you, they did great. Oh my goodness. Now that I can hear, it's a lot of air in your body, but you know, you look at here, head up, it helps out a lot, so. No, it was good. It was good. It was very fun. Yeah. Now I can hear myself talk. That's all.
Yeah. Just do like short breeze because you can't really breathe out like that. The wind is just correct so much.
So where are we again?
We are in, wait, hold on, I'm gonna come back a second. We are in Benoit Park in St. Petersburg, Florida.
Alright. Oh, it is thundering.
That lightning bolt was.
And it smells like pure crabs out there.
It better not be distracting. I
That's
like
a huge
this.
sound.
We'll walk over here first. They got tennis courts.
Are you guys still doing the drinks, the fruit drinks? Can I have a mango glass, please? Slushy is fine.
So I did not know they have alcohol Keurig. So the product about to show me how to make drinks on this machine.
Right. The way it works is you load in your spirit drinks. You have whiskey, tequila, vodka, and gin/rum. So you can feel that we did the gin or rum. This one, we're going to do the aviation. So it's based on the type of drink, as a barcode. So that's how it knows how to make the perfect drink. So you make sure you got your gin in. I like to do like some, you know, either ball or square ice. Get you a nice glass. Simply put it under there. Close it. And the cool part, if you come see this here, is it tells you, say, hey, do you have a shaker with ice? Under the dispenser, it's like, yeah, I got ice with a dispenser. It says, hey, is gin loaded? Yes, it is. And the cool thing is you can pick your strength. So you can say, hey, I want it a little light. I want a mocktail just a little sweet and tasty. I want it regular, or I want it strong. So this is for Orlando, so we're going to make it regular. And just see how this goes. Then you just hit mix, and then it literally just kind of makes your drink, and that's it.
That sounds so cool.
And the taste thing is the cool part of the taste test. Aviation.
We are in Miami. Finally.
Yes, we just landed. We made it.
So right now we're just waiting for a lift. It was like so confusing on trying to find the exit in the terminal. We finally got our food from Trick Daddy's restaurant. It only took about maybe 20 minutes to get the food. So right now we're just waiting for the lift to pick us up and take us to the hotel so we can try down, because I am hungry. I think the last time I ate something was about, what time did we eat?
It was about 10:45.
Yeah, somewhere around that time, but I'm hungry. I'm not in this therapy here.
Don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give, oh yeah. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I haven't been on a bike in so long. I'm trying to multitask. But we're heading to the movies right now. So we made it to the movie theater. We're trying to find a spot to drop this bike.
Look at you. How can I not look at you, Walter? I can see your face and my butt at the same time. Oh, that's special.
All right. Give me the spicy chicken sandwich.
Baconbitch, and I got the bougie bitch, so that means I'm a bougie bitch today, and I can't wait to try it because I know it's delicious.
So I got the crispy mix.